So today we'll be talking about clipper over comb. So today I'll be giving Chris a bald fade. I'm actually just creating the guideline first, so you focus one thing at a time. Okay, so right over here on the side, you have the parietal ridge, which is the widest area of the head. That's where I'm gonna be using clip over comb mostly. So if I turn Chris over here, I'm gonna see a little bit of some flyaways. I'm gonna get the comb, go straight up, and then pull it out in an angle a little bit, just so that you don't cut too far into the head. One of the biggest mistakes I find some barbers do is getting the comb and going right into the top. You don't want to go into the head, right? When you go into the head and then you get the clipper and you run it over, you're going to be taking too much on the sides. It's going to take away from that squared masculine look, right? If you end up doing what I just said as a beginner, which most beginners make as a mistake, the haircut's going to end up looking like a faux hawk. You want to stay far away from that unless the client actually wants to do a faux hawk, right? So going from the sides to the back, it's important to keep that angle where the shape of his head, you're going to be following with the comb. So you're going to angle it in the position where his hair, as you can see, flows this way. And then we drop the fade a little bit. So you want to follow the fade. That way you're still keeping the shape with the fade.